Hey guys, I am Ken with Paul Mero, Junkpile Guitars. Those of you that know me know that I supply a lot of trash blues artists with guitars. I make guitars out of just about anything. A coffee can, license plates, cigar boxes, and more often than not, you'll find me digging into really old Econo arch tops. This one's 90 some years old. But I'll tell you what, when I want to make a dependable guitar for an artist that's going to tour with it, and I can still individualize the instrument, it has something of great quality, I'll get myself a Guitar Kit World kit. This is a single cutaway arch top body. A couple weeks ago, it was just the parts, the neck, and a body looked brand new, and I individualized it. This one is going to Ireland. But if you want to delve into making yourself a guitar that's going to be unique and is going to represent a style that you want to put out there to the world, try Guitar Kit World. Hey, 5 of you message me. I've got something that you're going to want to know about from my friends at Guitar Kit World. So, hey, send me a message if you are thinking about building something like this.